All right, let's see what we have outside. We have some 6,000 pound axles, electric brake, $400 a piece. 3,500 pound idler axles, 150 a piece. 7,000 pound axle, 8 lug, $425. Got some more 7,000 pound axles back there. Bunch more 7Ks. $3,500 pound axles. A couple 10,000 pound Dexter axles back here. Well, one 10K, one 12K. Here's a bunch of 10Ks. $1,450 a piece for the Dexters. Some 6K quarter axles back there. Some 10,000 pound electric brake. No, hydraulic drum brake. Torsion axles. Those are fancy. Those are probably $2,500 or so a piece. Big old pile of 3,500 pound idler axles. Some more Dexter 10,000 pound. Dexter 12,000 pound axles. Well, one. Then a hydraulic disc brake. Some more idlers. 35. 6,000 pound 6 lug electric brake axles. Those are $400 a piece. Some 7K electric brake axles. $425 a piece. 6,000 pound. We have a bunch of Carter 12,000 pound electric brake axles over here. Unfortunately, they're all sold out again. All these are already sold. We're about to ship them out to our customer. So we'll have some more in soon. Don't miss out next time because they go super quick. Let's see, circling back around, more 3,500 pound idlers, $150 a piece. A whole pile right there of 3,500 pound idlers, $150 a piece. Some 3,500 pound electric brake axles, $300 a piece. And this is Saturday, April 27th, 7:20 p.m. These are some 7,000 pound axles we're getting ready to ship out to a customer. We got a whole bunch of 35s, drop axles, straight axles, brake axles, 8,000 pound axles down here. Bunch of 6,000 pound axles right here. 6,000 pound idler, 6 lugs. They're like $225 a piece. Some 7K drop axles with electric brakes on them. I believe they're about $500 a piece. 8,000 pound electric brake axle with the oil bath. That's $850. Or 7,000 pound electric brake axles. 8,000 pound axles all right here. 7K idler axles. All those. We got the axles if you need them. 3,500 pound electric brakes. More idlers over there. Some more 7Ks right here. K Carter axles over there. Some more 8K electric brake axles right here. Some 8,000 pound electric brake torsion axles made by Lippard. More 10,000 pound electric brake axles right here. And circling back around again. Pallet shipping out. Another pallet shipping out. 6,000 pound axles. More 6,000 pound Carter axles. $400 a piece. The pallet of springs. We usually keep these inside. I don't know why they're out here. 6-leaf double I springs, 25 1/4 long. They're $35. Some more 12,000 pound electric brake axles, Carter. Sweet deal on those. Dexter hydraulic disc brake axles with the springs attached. $2,400 a piece, guys. More disc brake axles, Dexter. Some Carter 7Ks back there. Some more 10K Dexter electric brake axles back there. And then all the rest of these right here are the 7,000 pound Carter electric brake axles. Sweet deals on all this stuff. Give us a call if you need any trailer parts. Trailer axles, tires, or wheels, we got you covered. 844-898-8687. Or shop online at trailerpartsunlimited.com or trailerkits.com. Or you can just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.